Hey everyone, this is M Reviews, and today we'll be reviewing the Shynerk baby camera mirror on Amazon. So this is usually about like $140, I want to say, on Amazon. They're having an 80% off deal, which brings it to about I believe it was like $30, and then there's a coupon for $4 off if you clip that. So this is literally nothing but like a camera mirror, just like some people would have in the front of their car. I chose the mirror, the camera, because you get like live feed updates at night. You also can see the baby. Obviously it doesn't look like this at night. It looks black and white, but it's very clear. You can see exactly what your baby's doing at all times. There's no like grayed out spots. There's no like, oh my god, what are they doing? I can't see. Everything on here is very clear. This has been one of my best purchases for my baby. So this piece gets hooked up to right on the top of your dashboard. Some people may choose to like stick that up here. I like to just put it right up here when I'm driving and my baby's in the car. When my baby's not in the car, I kind of just put it down to get it out the way, because it does, as you can see, have a cord. There were no wireless options. So if you're if a cord is a deal breaker for you, then it does come with this cord that goes from the back where the baby is up to the front. So these are the cords, and it comes with instructions on how to set it up. So it was very simple. Literally all I had to do was attach these two cords, but it'll tell you what cords it goes into where. And also if you try to attach them into the wrong port, they're different sizes, considerably different sizes. There is this that has to be plugged in. So if that's an issue for you as well, then it does have to get plugged in right here. So if this is a deal breaker for you as well, there's no option or way around this. It has to be plugged in. So it gets, because if not, it turns off. So once you plug it in right over here, then you would press the red button to turn it on, and then you're going to see the camera come on. So in the back right here, this is the camera. So as you can see, you have to strap it to the headrest, and the red light is helping to get the clear image of your baby. And the straps are pretty simple to adjust. It's just literally strapping the camera on to the car, and then there's a cord that gets passed from the back seat to reach the front where I have it hooked up. So you just pass it under the passenger seat, and the cords are kind of, you might be able to cover those a bit more. I was just lazy. As long as it did the picture, I didn't care about anything else. I just wanted to be able to see my child. But you can see everything. There's no way to like talk on here or anything. This is literally just a camera mirror. Definitely I got it when it was more expensive, but if it's on sale right now for about 20 something dollars, I definitely think it's worth it, because you get mirrors around the same price. And at night the mirrors can be a little bit harder to see out of them. So I think that this is a really great buy, because it does adjust to nighttime. There's no settings, there's nothing to do on this. It's literally just a mirror, but I think it's a great purchase to be able to have a live view of your baby. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you use to monitor your baby when you're driving in the car. If there's another product that you can recommend, and if you want some more product reviews based on lifestyle, children, and more, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.